Hey Excel Ninjas, I'm Aditya Goenka and welcome back to Office Master, your ultimate destination for quick and powerful Excel tricks that make your workday smoother. In today's video, I've got 5 amazing Excel updates from the last week, including a trick to put images right inside your cells, a new way to combine columns effortlessly, how to auto-adjust columns with just one line of code and more. These are real tips I shared with my interns, teammates and friends, and now I'm sharing them with you. So grab your coffee, open up Excel and let's jump right in. Want to get all the columns combined together like this? Watch this video and learn how you can do it in seconds. One of my teammates was combining columns like this, so I showed him this cool trick. Select your cell, type is equal to, we will use tocol function here. Select the range of columns you want to combine, comma, type 1 so that if there are any blanks it will ignore it, and boom, here are all your columns combined. Want to get your image in cell like this? Watch this video and learn how you can do it in seconds. One of our intern was adjusting image in the cell like this, so I helped him by sharing this small trick. Go to Insert, click on Pictures, select Place in Cell, click on this device, choose your image, and boom, now you can place your image easily in your Excel cell. Want to remove blank spaces in Excel like this? Watch this video and learn how you can do it in seconds. One of my friend was removing space between words like this, so I showed him this cool trick. Select data and press Ctrl+H. Type is similar to symbol followed by a space and wait for the magic to happen. Boom, here are all blank spaces removed. Want to adjust columns in Excel like this? Watch this video and learn how you can do it in seconds. One of my friend was adjusting columns like this, so I showed her this cool trick. Open VBA, click on View Code, choose Worksheet here, type cells.entire_column.autofit, and boom, here are all the columns adjusted automatically. Want to delete rows in Excel easily like this? Watch this video and learn how you can do it in seconds. One of my junior was deleting rows in Excel like this, so I showed her this cool trick. Just select the row and then press Ctrl+- and here is your row gets deleted easily. Delete as many as rows you want with this simple trick. And there you have it, 5 super simple, super useful Excel hacks that can save you tons of time and make you look like a pro in front of your team. Which trick was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found even one of these helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest Excel magic. Keep mastering Excel and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay sharp and stay smart with Office Master.